Hi fioi, welcome back to the channel. We are 2 guys, 1 amp. My name is Pavi.
My name is Dep.
Today we have a Soldano SLO
Clone.
of the SLO
Because we
100.
don't have the money.
Because we are poor as fuck unless you wanna donate something and subscribe to the channel. It's made by one of my friend and it sounds fucking good.
By the way, we started with the thing that we don't like Soldano.
I never enjoyed a Soldano
Me too.
sound unless you're talking about Lukather, okay?
Yeah, but I always played the Soldano and I never.
This one is. I enjoyed more with the humbucker, so let me change guitar.
So
play a little bit.
Thank you. Is
Okay,
it normal?
with this guitar is a little bit too much. It's modern with this setup with a Fishman loaded guitar. It's modern, but
I was boosted with an Eastriver driver.
okay.
Now it's not boosted.
No, on the overdrive channel with the gain halfway, so not so
halfway.
Not
everything.
halfway.
Yeah, everything halfway.
It reminds me more of 90s than 80s, even though the it's fucking
more 90s.
Yeah,
no,
because it has the sizzle, okay? Okay, not so harsh, by the way.
No, it's not that.
But it's dark at the same time. It has...
Probably because this is the grandfather of all the 90s amp. Because
Yeah!
it has it's a proto.
It has that
60, 50, 150, 65.
just powered and pentatonics with this sound. Let me blast the game because I want to see how
Because
much. Yes. Compress it. It changes even.
You know that with a lot of gain, it reminds me of recto beats.
Yes.
With less gain of a 5150.
The crunch
Yeah, the
channel.
crowd is a 50 wanna be 5150.
See, I wanna be. I fucking love this song.
Fun fact, these amps is in his bedroom
Since 2 months ago.
2 months ago, okay.
I had this app for 2 months and I never had the possibility to try it.
And because we, both of us, we didn't
Yeah,
like
I always-
Soldano.
Okay, 10 years ago I tried an original pre by Soldano with this with a Marshall power amp, a 4x12 cabinet live,
Yeah.
the ultimate test, and I fucking enjoyed it.
Okay.
But then I tried a bunch of Soldano, the new version, even the latest one
Yeah,
at
the
NEM.
slow, the Avenger.
Yeah, most of them. Even at NEM this year,
Yeah.
I listened to a bunch of them on the boutique amp stand. Okay, and okay, it was a fucking good sound.
Mhm.
You can't say it's a bad amp.
No.
But you know, I didn't have an erection from the sound.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what I mean. Okay. I'm fucking bricked up now.
I'm in the. I didn't change my idea because when I.
That's fucking cool. The gain structure is what I like. It sounds more like.
It has the thing that is a Soldano. It's a Soldano, like a Soldano. I didn't change my idea. I'm on my.
No,
I didn't change my idea.
I don't give a fuck about your opinion.
I totally agree with
Okay.
that. I prefer it like that.
Even though we are cranking the gain, it doesn't. It's not too much. It's still a control sound. You can. It's
I have to say,
on point.
it's beautiful. Yeah. And not for me.
we try the normal and then we can wrap it up because there's nothing more to add.
No, because it's a wonderful amp. Pavi loves it. I don't.
Now it's boosted.
Yes. No, it's not good. It's not good.
What's happening?
It's not good. With a TS9.
Yeah, TS9. I fucking enjoy the Soldano sound.
Yeah,
Soldano.
Soldano.
It's Bardo.
For 4,500 years.
No, for a scientific study. This is a clone.
This is a clone, but okay, it's a
90. Let's say it's a 90% of the original clone because he did a little bit of tweaking to adjust to his guitars. And his rig, but it's 95%.
But it's a Soldano. I've tried the Slow Cento, Avenger, and it's the same sensation that I have always. So yeah, it's and my reaction is the same.
Or maybe it's your IR, which we'll talk about in the future. Okay. My name is Pavi.
My name is Dep.
And this is a fucking good amp.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job.